All right, everybody, this is a repair video. We got to replace these turtle vents. State Farm paid for 2 of them. There's hail hits on this one. This is for Brian Faulkenburg, 969 East 10th Avenue in Broomfield, Colorado, 80020. Claim number 0668N304Q. All right, got a turtle vent here. Got silicone, got nails, got a hammer, got a pry bar. Everything you need to do to repair on one of these turtle vents to swap it out. It's a very old 3-tab. More than likely it's discontinued, but we're gonna try to do it regardless. State Farm did not pay for any shingles, so we're only gonna use like what State Farm paid for. And yeah, let's go from there. The whole idea of this is try not to do anything forceful, so you can actually do the repair without creating more damage than what is already damaged. Just gotta take the nails out, obviously, to get them out. Shingles pretty much delaminating as I'm going. That nail just busted right through that shingle. Okay. Bring this one up a bit so you can see what you're doing. You gotta work it in a way so you don't damage more. Okay. Shingle's starting to tear right here. Just not trying to get this off. Now look down here. Guys, this shingle is breaking as I'm trying to get this. It's all the tar that's been sticking on it for years, so this shingle is just like breaking underneath. It's ripping.
Actually, there's a nail topside.
It doesn't feel like there's a nail. It just feels like there's just tar. Yeah, it's just tar. So that shingle right there is broken. That shingle is going to need to be replaced. That is ripped. Okay. This shingle right here is tearing. It's not bad, but like it's just the reality of it. This right here is torn. Right? It's not bad, but it is the reality. It's just like, look at that. It's tearing. It's breaking. These shingles have been up here for a long time. These shingles, like this one, definitely needs to be replaced. All right, so I'm gonna put the other one in just for right now, and we'll call it. It's pretty simple. Put these in, up arrow, getting underneath. Right. All right, and then I'm just gonna nail it down, call it. Thanks.